Good morning, good afternoon to everybody who's watching this video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Payoneer. So for those people who do not know what Payoneer is, then basically if you guys have heard of PayPal, then basically Payoneer is similar to PayPal. It's just owned by a different company and it helps you manage your payment system, alright? So you can pay other people and you can get payment from other people using Payoneer. So it's like a payment management company. So that's basically the short description of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Payoneer to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into it. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. So let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to go to your search engine and search for Payoneer login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says login, and after you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Payoneer where you guys can log in into your account. Now, once it takes you to its website, you just want to enter the information that asks you, like your email or username or your password. After entering the email or username and the password of your account, you want to click on sign in, and you should be able to sign in into your Payoneer account. And for some reason, if you guys were not able to sign in into your account, then basically your email or your password, one of them is incorrect or both of them is incorrect. So make sure to double check and enter the correct information over here. After entering the correct information, once you click on sign in, you should be able to sign in into your account. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can always click on forgot password to forget the password of your Payoneer account and recover your account as well, because this is also an option. If you guys do not have an account, you can click on sign up to sign up for Payoneer. So this is the way and how you guys can log in into your Payoneer account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And for those people who are watching this video until the end, thanks for watching. It's me, Kevin, signing out. Have a nice day and bye-bye.